Welcome to the lesson 4. Today we will understand what are the SQL operators and the different type of SQL operators available within SQL. So what do you mean by SQL operators? Think of it as an operation you want to perform on your table. So an operation can be whether you want to compare two fields or you want to select only few fields from a table or you want to filter some rows. So all these operations are performed by SQL operators. So there are different type of operators that are available within SQL. Some of the most important types are arithmetic operators, comparison operators, and logical operators. So let's have a look at each one of these. So for arithmetic operators, we have plus, minus, multiplication, divide, and modulus. You must all be knowing these operations. So in SQL, when you want to add some numbers or subtract, like you can always use these signs to perform your operations. So let's have a look at the comparison operators. Is equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than. So these are all the comparison operations you can perform within your SQL. So these are the logical operators. So you can perform like AND, where you can add two expressions in your SQL statement. You can filter a record or a row by using a not. You can also use between, where you can give a range of values, or you can give in, where you pass the expressions, or you can also use a like operator. With like operator, you can pass a pattern. For example, you want to search in the name column where name begins with a certain characters that you can use in a like operator. So in the next chapter, we will be doing a demo of the SQL operators. So in order to perform the demo, we first have to download a SQL workbench. You can download either Microsoft SQL Local DB if you are using a Windows computer, or you can download a MySQL if you are using a Mac or a Linux computer. For our demo purposes, we will be using Microsoft SQL DB because it is easier to understand and easier to grasp. It is a complete GUI based workbench. So you go to the Google and type download Microsoft SQL Server Local DB. The first link you will get, just click the link and go down and select the top option button. That's the latest version that's available, and it will start downloading.